Hey guys, it's Aislyn from Pretty Hair is Fun. Today I'm going to show you how to use this cool new hair waver. Let's get started. To start off, I just section off a piece of my hair and pin it up like so. And I'll just split it in two and put some heat protectant on it. I'll just brush through it. I like starting off with putting heat protectant on it so that I don't damage my hair. And when you put hairspray on it, it makes the waves more defined. If you don't want that, then you can just not use hairspray and it looks fine. To start, I like getting off a small section of hair because I have really thick hair. And then I just start to crimp it. I normally hold the curling iron on for like 3 to 5 seconds, just depending on the heat. And when I'm done, I'll just throw it back and keep going. One thing that I really like about this is how big the barrels are, because it makes it a lot easier to do your hair faster. Just gonna take down another section and then keep going. On this section, I'm not going to do hairspray, and I'm going to do hairspray on this side just so you can see the difference. Keep spraying this on the face. So on this side, I'm doing no hairspray, so I will get looser curls, so I'm going to hold it on a little bit longer than I did with the hairspray. So as you can see, the waves are a lot smaller and looser than they are when you put hairspray on them. Now I'm going to do this side with the hairspray. Before I start, after I spray the hairspray, I like to brush through my hair just so that I can get the hairspray throughout the rest of my hair and not just in one section. As you can see already, it's already tighter than without. I'm just going to take down another section and then continue crimping my hair. Now I'm on my last section. I'm just going to hurry and do this because my arm is really tired from holding this. We will have a discount code in our description box for our subscribers. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Now I'm done. I really like the way that my curls look. I think they're super pretty. If I don't want to leave it like this, I'll pull it up in a half up, half down. I'll do some braids in it. But today I'm just going to leave it. Make sure to go check out this really awesome product. Make sure to check out our description box down below for a discount code for our subscribers. Make sure to go subscribe to our channel so you can use that discount code. Buy this for anyone you want who has long hair or super strong muscles that can hold it for more than 5 minutes. You can buy it for anyone. Everyone will love it. It's super easy to use. It's not complicated and it's really fast. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. See you next time.